this video, we are going to discuss something which is very important in Google Ads. It is known as Google Ads auction. When a user search for any product or services, Google shows results, which is a combination of paid advertisements and organic searches, which means the free information available on Google. And these websites are not paying anything. However, these people are paying something to Google if a user is clicking on these advertisements. So Google auction decides which advertiser or the website to win the first position, second position, third position, fourth position, and other positions. There is a system. So let's say, for example, if we say there are only 4 advertisers, one is paying $4, the second one is paying $3, the third one is paying $2, and the fourth one is paying $1. So if we calculate only the bidding amount, the $4 one should win the first position, but this is not the actual case. There are some important factors that determines which ad to appear on the first position and so on. So let's begin. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mehra and I'm a certified Google Ads expert. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for useful content regarding digital marketing. Check description for my contact details if you are a business and need my help. I work with businesses worldwide and you can pay for the services in your local currency. So let's begin with Google Ads auction. People bid for advertisement for Google, but high bid does not guarantee for higher position. In order to understand this, let's take an example. If a user is searching for money as a keyword, and if we calculate only the bid amount, then insurance advertisement will get triggered and it would be on the screen, but that is not the case. All right, so in order to decide which ad to appear on the screen and which ad to win the first position, second position, third position, because there would be thousands of advertisers who are bidding on those keywords. So when we talk about the first page, we have 4 advertisements on the screen, and at the bottom of the screen you will find some more. On this page we do not have some more, but you might find 3 more ads on the same page. So in total we have 7 numbers, like 7 advertisements maximum on the page, and in order to decide which one to appear, the system is known as Google auction. Google auction has 3 main components. The first one is the amount of the bid, which means how much is the advertiser is willing to spend for a click. For example, if a user is click on these advertisements, what is that amount Google is going to receive if there is a click for the advertisement? Okay, that is one important factor, but not the only factor. So taking this in notes, like bidding amount also has an impact. In order to get the higher position, we will move towards the second most important factor, which is the quality score. The quality score is the quality of your advertisement. You can say in a layman language, this is the connection between your advertisement and the website. Quality score has 3 main factors. The first one is expected click-through rate, which is based on the historical data Google Ads has. For example, let me give you one example here, quick example. This advertiser may have been running these advertisements for maybe a few days or few months, basis on the data available with Google Ads. Okay, with Google is going to decide, like, if 100 times the advertisement is shown for a search query, how many times the ads are being clicked. For example, there are 100 searches and the ads ad appear on the screen for 100 times, out of those 100 times, how many times a user has clicked on this ad, and what is the revenue after that click through rate. Okay, that is one factor, expected click through rate. The second important factor in quality score is ad relevance. Now, ad relevance, if I give you some example for that, is it should match the language of your keywords and the search query, or the actual advertisement. For example, in this search query, we are looking for dentist in New York. So Google ad will try to see uh, if your advertisement or the business is located in New York, if the New York is listed there, if the number is for the New York, and then the dentist as a service, if the ad is related to dentist services, or maybe some other information. There could be some scenarios wherein a user is looking for some dental products, not the services. So that is also one factor Google determines, okay, in order to create the quality score. And the third, that is also very important factor, that is the landing page experience. You will get higher position if Google think that your landing page has the information user is looking for. So how Google is going to decide that? In order to decide this factor, Google is going to check your landing page, and Google is going to check whether your content is relevant for the advertisement or not, whether your landing page is easy to navigate or not. If the user is being redirected to a link wherein user is not getting in any information, or they have a specific call to action wherein you can count conversions. If you count conversions and you send that information to Google, that is also one factor. Google will have this sense of feeling, or you can say this information, wherein it the data will show these are the important clicks for Google, for the advertiser, and it is considered as sales. Now, some more tips. Your landing page should be transparent about the nature of your business. uh, in order to give you that example is, like this search query is related to dentist services in New York. So once a user is clicking on these advertisement, they should be redirected to a page wherein they will find services for dental in New York, not the products. You know what I mean? Let me show you the live example. So in order to see what is the quality score of your advertisement, let me give you one live example. This is a very old account that I have been using, and I've been using this account in 2018. So I'm going to give you example here. Now when you will start running ads, and you have some active campaigns, your campaigns will appear on the screen. Okay, now if you go to keywords, okay, and you select columns, modify columns, scroll down, there would be a column which is for the quality score. You need to make sure that this column is enabled. Hit apply, and after that, basis on keywords, because the quality score is based on keyword also, so you will see what is the quality score for your advertisement. Okay, so let's uh, talk about the third main factor in Google auction, which is the expected impact, or you can say the usage of different extensions and your ad format which is available on the screen. We have already discussed in quality score, like click through rate is the metric which improves the quality score. So the similar way, if you use different extensions in your advertisement, That is also going to improve your positioning in Google auction. For example, you have this advertisement on the screen. So let me give you some information about the advertisement. This is the advertisement. Okay, this is the actual advertisement. After that, we have location extension. If a user is clicking on this link, the user is going to be redirected to the Google map, wherein they can see the actual location of the store. The second example is this is the call extension. It is not clickable as I'm using this on the desktop view. If you are using the same query in a mobile browser, like a mobile browser, you will see this number will be clickable. User can click on this number and talk to the reception or maybe the service provider directly, rather than clicking on these ads and being redirected to a website. Also, this advertiser has some site link extensions for maybe if a user is looking for dental services, but there could be some chances this advertisement is not something the user is looking for. They might be interested for some other services, like online insurance check, if they want to visit this page first. So it is also going to improve the click-through rate, which is ultimately going to improve the positioning of the advertisement. So these are the important factors we have in Google auction. There could be some more also, but these are the important ones. In order to improve the position, if we work on these things, we get higher position with Google Ads. For this video, this is all I have, and let's meet in any other video. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for useful content regarding digital marketing. Check description for my contact details if you are a business and need my help. I work with businesses worldwide, and you can pay for the services in your local currency.